Hi guys, Mr. Sonnenberg here. Today we're talking about plants for food and fiber, topic 1, people and plants, and the Science 7 students, or for Science 7 students. Holy, I've done so many screencasts that I can't even talk. So it's a good thing I can talk though, is I can get them done and it helps you guys out. And I'm feeling motivated today, so we'll just keep on rolling. How about? All right. So the previous screencast we talked about food for fiber, food for fiber, plants for food, and the role of plants in the environment. Today we're going to talk about plants for medicine, which is nice because I have these things right here, okay, and they contain codeine, and this is for my sore knee from my knee surgery, and I'm in a little bit of pain. It's not bad, it's bearable, but we definitely this codeine came from plants, and that's going to help me with my pain since I had arthroscopy done on my knee to remove cartilage tear. But you know, the good thing is now I can run right alongside you guys. Not that I will, a little lazy these days, but I have that option. Anyways, so plants for medicine. So we use plants for fiber. We can make clothing, we can make paper, we can make other materials for shelter, tarps, things like that. We use it for food, we can eat it, we can use it in other processed materials. And 75% of our crops come from or our food supply comes from 7 different crops, right? And so we can use that, but we can also use it in a healing process. And I don't know how many of you would just stop and think, have you ever taken medication? Do you think it's come from anywhere? Ever take anything for a sore stomach? Have you ever had teas that help you out? And so basically we have that saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And that is very true. I don't know if I can draw an apple, but I'm going to try. And you just tell me what you think of my apple. Ooh, look at that. I don't know, it looks more like a red pepper. But anyways, so that's saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and basically saying that we can use plants for medicine. And so many medicines, about over 7,000, contain ingredients made from plants. And there's a lot of herbal remedies that are common examples of plants being used to prevent illness or to even control illness. So we're going to take a look at a few of these in this next slide. So just a few examples, and I can get you to stop and maybe pause the screencast and write down some things that maybe you're aware of that maybe we use plants for medicine. So the first one I have though is tea. So say made from ginger root. It's used to soothe an upset stomach. So if you ever have an upset stomach, sometimes there's some teas that can help soothe that stomach. Other teas, say the ones made from white spruce and hemlock, those were used to prevent scurvy, and scurvy was a disease we saw several years ago, especially on ships, people transporting over through the exploration days and such. White willow bark is used to ease pain. Okay, and I'm not going to say that word, but I'm going to say buffalo berry was used to treat kidney problems. Another one that's used is opium poppy seed pod. And so it was a thick milky fluid, and it provides a powerful pain medication. And what we would see that known as morphine. So one of the most powerful pain medications is morphine, given to people in a lot of pain, obviously. And then we had codeine, and that's the one that I was talking about in right here with my pain medication. Is the codeine is also found in the poppy, and it's used in cough medicines. It can also be used in pain medications as well. And then there's quinine, which comes from cinchona tree, and it's used to prevent malaria. And malaria a lot of times can be passed along by mosquitoes and stuff, but we can use some of these different plants and medicines to help cure us, as well as make us feel better and soothe some of the illnesses, pains, even through illness prevention, preventing these illnesses from occurring. We use plants. So plants are they're very, very important to us, and we use them a lot. for many different purposes. And so we have one more screencast that'll talk about plants for transportation and such like that, and we'll talk about maybe some rubber trees and stuff. But anyways, that's plants for medicine. Hope that helps. Make sure you're jotting down notes so you have this information as well. Okay, thanks. Bye.